right now. Copeland Alex Fortin from Kentucky in Quebec. And lower in the sky, that third SkyHawk. Turning it around, he goes straight towards the first two. Private Alan Ziegler, we saw him earlier with the 450 square foot Canada flag. He's from Edmonton, Alberta. Now we see those first two SkyHawks have already made contact. They have formed what is known as a biplane. This biplane is the building block of all our formations. It all starts with this biplane, which is simply two jumpers stacked one on top of the other. And at the top of it, we can see everything they're doing. The top jumper in this biplane is piloting it, letting it fly exactly where he wants it to. And that third jumper has just made contact. And there's that green stack. He is now unfurled a 450 square foot Canada flag.
Hey Sean, make sure that you're checking for the tickets, eh?
You probably can't find today. And here they've activated some smoke to help us see their tracks across the sky. Turning it around, they're going to bring that straight into our drop zone. Our drop zone located straight to your front in the grassy area. Controlling our drop zone today is coupled as Bobby C-130 from Canada, Quebec. And that's right, he gives me $1 every time I get that right. And here they bring that restack close towards the crowd, still holding it together. Take a good look. They have climbed on their control line stack. They're bringing it home into the drop zone. Still holding it. There's the breakdown, and here they come in for the landing. 1, 2, 3, safe landing to the top. We'll run the clock for our first